What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial, and I'm going to be starting a series called Unleashed in 5. So basically a tutorial video where I teach you guys how to do something or give my tips and tricks about anything in OBS and Capcut in 5 minutes or less. So let's get right to it. So basically today I'm going to be showing you guys scenes, and in order for me to show you scenes, I already did it for the tutorial. I have a webcam and mic scene, and basically what's in this scene is my video capture device, which you can see the red outline, and then I have my microphone, which is my microphone, Yeti stereo microphone. I have the pink Dawn one, so that's that. And basically I'm gonna switch over to the tutorial one and show you guys how to add scenes. And actually I can do it within this scene. I can do it within this scene. So basically the first thing you do, let me delete this one. So I'm gonna delete this one. You guys can't see me, but you can still hear me. But hold on one second. Okay, so you can see me again. Sweet. So basically what you're gonna do is hit this little plus sign, and then I'm gonna name this tutorial, and basically that's gonna be the name of your scene. Sorry, I can't type. There we go, tutorial. Okay, so now you guys can see me, or now you guys can hear me, but you can't see me. So basically all I did was go to the plus sign inside of the sources, which is inside of the scene, right? So you hit the plus sign. I know you can't see me right now, but you can hear me. But you hit the plus sign, and then you go up to audio input capture, and then you type in something like microphone, which is what I did right here. So type in, let's say microphone 2, microphone 2, and then you hit OK. And then you select your microphone, which is the Yeti stereo microphone for me. All right, and then you hit OK, right? So it's probably really loud because there's two microphones going, but I'm gonna delete that one and then just keep the regular microphone so you can still hear me. So the way that you can get to see me is you hit the plus sign, and then you go to video capture device, and then let's just call this webcam. And then you hit this, and then right now you see where it says device, and you hit the this is the name of my webcam, and you can't see anything right now. The reason you can't see anything is because I already have it going on this layer, so I'm back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this one from this one, and then I'm gonna remove it. All right, and then I'm gonna add it to the other one just to show you guys how to do it. So let's remove this other webcam. So what we're gonna do is hit the plus sign again, go to video capture device. Let's type in webcam. Oh, I hit the, whoop, can't type, fat fingers. Oh my goodness. All right, webcam, and then now you can see me, right? So basically I got that in there, and then as you can see, when I hit OK, it's very, very zoomed in. So what you want to do is just grab it, bring the size down, grab it, okay, and then it's right here, it's in the right aspect. So now you see it's like completely full. So something that I'll show you real quick before the time's up. Go to filters, and then hit the plus sign, and then go to crop and pad if you want to remove the sides. So if you want to remove the sides, we're going to do the left side 650, and then we're going to do the right side 600. So basically that gets rid of the sides, and when you close it, now you got this right here, and then you put it in the middle, and then you're good to go. The sides are gone, and all you see is the green screen, and all you see is my face. So in another video I'm going to show you guys how to remove the green screen up in CapCut, and I'll probably do that with this footage and then just put it in a whole different video for you guys. So it looks like that was our 5 minutes are almost up, and I hope that I didn't go too fast, but you can definitely pause the video and then slow it down and do whatever you got to do. And if you want me to take longer than that, I definitely will. But that's all I got for this video, and I hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.